So this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing, guys. This time I have another hair remover for your nose, for your ear, from your beard, whatever you want. You can do that. I have another video of Remington, one hair remover, hair cutter with a travel kit. If you want, check the video description for this one. And I will have a couple of more to testing this type of product for you guys. This is from Wahl, a German brand, a popular German brand for many years. Georgian, Germany, also they produce from United States. So this come from United States, USA, no Chinese, cheap product. So German American brand here, lovely packaging. Here you see the name Groomsman detailed trimmer. So it's a trimmer for your nose hair, here from your ear or other places. Lovely, you see you can cut your hair as well. Since 1999, more than 100 years this company has. The tools inside what you will have, you see, can cut your hair inside your ear as well, eyebrow as well, you see, trim in comfort. Lovely packaging. So without any further ado, I'm gonna take this off from here. Behind should go as this, and this should come out as this. Let's see. Nothing fancy packet, very simple. This is the main tool, some paperwork. Okay, here not bad. One side. Let's see what else we have inside. All in pack. Okay, all the tools, nothing else, a simple packet. This product you can buy $13-14, €13-14. So cheap product, nothing fancy. What we have here in the bag, let's see. Yeah, so battery. Okay, AAA battery, lovely, very small because it's a small machine to carry. And here we have some tool. We see here 3 different type of tool, you see. Okay, here they put a picture, but some tool is missing. You see, this tool is principally, I wanted this one, so it's not coming with this one. Complete detail kit, so it's not complete. This one is missing in this case. They shouldn't do that. So they advertise with this one, you see here, eyebrow trimmer or something else. This is not coming, so something is missing here, doesn't matter. We have this trimmer, is very small. You can cut eyebrow, other stuff with this one. The nose, this one. And also here, this is one tool. Let's see how we can use. Maybe the tool I'm searching, maybe that one is inside. Let's see. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, my mistake, guys. So it's coming with this tool. What I said I was wrong is inside this tool. So this is the principal tool I was searching for. And the button quality, if you ask me, is light aluminum. I don't feel anything at my hand. How I can take this off, I don't know. You move this one, the head is coming out. So I put back the head here. I pull it out this way, lovely, very light and cheap material. If you tell me, I can feel at the hand. The product is cheap as well, so material is cheap as well, very light version. So I'm gonna use a rechargeable battery here. Eraser, I like more rechargeable battery, they last more time. So the battery should go this way. The power button is on, so battery will go this way. Then I would put this way, it's tight. Wow. Now I press the button, you see, feel cheap, very light, cheap. Here is another hair trimmer. See, this sound more professional. This one sound, you see, little bit cheaper. Okay, maybe for the head, I change the head. Let's see, this way you can take this out, the head, put another head here. You have to match the clip angle. and you tight. Make much noise. A rough type of noise. Feels as a loose thing inside. Okay, if I off this one here, this one this way, and try with this one. This one sound better. Other tools, they sound more rough, loose thing inside, but very powerful, nothing inside, you see. Cutting my nose here, working fine guys. Very small machine. Show you the body more closer. It's aluminum body but very light. This is for, it's a travel kit, okay. Detailed trimmer. Close this one is as a pen. You can take everywhere. Germany is written here. That is important, coming from Germany. No bad product. Very light though. This one I feel much better, you see. Premium, this one I feel. This is Remington than this one. But as this one is German, this one is American. The other tool, for example, here you have one tool. So how we can use this one? Take this head out. Okay. Plastic here, all can see how. This head puts back again. It's done. Now here this should go inside. Let's see. Fine. So you can cut your hair, other stuff with this. But the noise, very strong noise, is moving a lot, making very strong noise. So I'm gonna check this out now, cutting my hair, and I will tell you guys. Let's try this one. Making a lot of noise. Not bad, not bad. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.